What is up, guys, man? Welcome back to another video and welcome back to another vlog. It has been a while, and I mean a while, since I picked up the camera, and it feels so freaking good. So we have a lot to unpack in this video. As you guys can see, the only car in the garage is the X4. Obviously that's the only car that can fit, but there's no M5 or anything right here, and we're gonna get into all that in today's video. Right now I am currently waiting on my Uber, and I'll pick up the camera when we get there and explain everything that's been going on. Yes, how you doing? All right, y'all, we are here with the M-Feezy. New front wheel. They're missing my wheel caps. Damn, I gotta go in here and talk to these people. They're missing my wheel caps. This one. Oh yeah, these boys finished up nicely though. All right, y'all, we got the car back, and I'm about to go ahead and talk to these people about wheel caps, and then I'll be back out to talk to y'all. All right, y'all, easy fix everything on. Now, I haven't heard this car in a while, so let's go ahead and get a freaking cold start on this thing. I know it's about to sound literally insane, so let's go ahead and do that real quick. So freaking good to be back in the M5. Oh my goodness, dude, this thing just puts a smile on my face every time I am freaking driving it. Right now, as y'all can see, your boy need a cut, bro. I haven't done nothing in a while, bro. I literally been chilling, but I'm about to lock back in with the videos, about to lock back in with get my hair cut, taken care call me later. I'm about to lock back in with getting all my stuff taken care of and looking good, man. Oh my goodness. My goodness, guys, this thing, oh my freaking goodness, you don't know how much you miss something when you like until you haven't had it. Like, yo, I haven't drove this car in a month. Like, keeping it a buck, I have not drove this car in a month, bro. So to have this car back in my possession literally feels so freaking good, bro. Like, I'm talking so freaking good. I'm very happy, very excited. I'm about to get a haircut. I'm about to feel good about myself, y'all. Y'all got to do things that make yourself feel good about yourself. That's very important, man. But I'm literally about to listen to music and just enjoy the car. This thing never fails to put a freaking smile on my face, bro. Ever, bro. So, with that being said, I'll see y'all after I get a cut. Cause, you know what I'm saying? I gotta show y'all the fresh cut. You feel me? So, I'll tap back in with y'all, man, after.
Got that chick upgraded all the sticks. Know you heard a million young nigga that get your shooter hit.
What the fuck? No!
Silent with my niggas, now I'm fucking global. Nigga laughed at me, look at me now, shit I told him. 400 ice.
Hey, woo! I need an ND filter, bro. That's what I need. I'm about to go look for one of those. But y'all see the butter, man. And also, we have got our cut. I feel good. I feel great. I feel amazing. We are pulling up to the collision shop. Now, I know y'all don't know what happened. Man, I know y'all don't know what happened, but it's just a minor inconvenience. It ain't too much to where I gotta worry about. You know what I'm saying? It's just a minor inconvenience. I ain't gonna lie. And we'll see what they're about to talk about, but I'm here at the collision shop. We got to get something figured out real quick about my car, because I need to get a estimate. Oh yeah, that's the guy I need to talk to right there too. David. Yes, sir. All right, let me show y'all what's going on quick. I'm not leaving my car here today at all, I'll tell you that right now. But let me talk to these folks and I'm gonna show you all the damage after. Alright, y'all, this is the damage. A rock hit the door and the paint is missing and it's It's literally my fingernail running open. So I don't know if that's gonna be PDR. I don't know if they're gonna fix it. I don't know what's gonna happen at all. I literally just got the car back. As y'all saw, literally a couple clips ago, I just got the car back. So now this just happened, and I need to get that fixed, bro, because this car's too expensive to be messed up like this, bro. It's actually insane. But on the other hand, this looks good. The car is not PDR. It cannot be PDR. They have to repaint. They have to repaint. They have to do Bondo and repaint. I'm not bad. If I keep telling myself that, I won't be bad. It's just, bro, pay attention to what you're doing, bro. Like, actually pay attention. Because you ruin other people's stuff. I'd rather him have busted a window, bro. A rock to the side of the car. To the side of the car. Ah! Sorry, y'all. I'm acting in that case. I'm still happy to be back in my car. But, that is crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. So, also, good news on the windshield. The windshield is here. So, go ahead. Round of applause. All right, all right. So now we will have that replaced. We have so much good stuff coming for the car. I'm really trying to get this car back to tip-top shape. It's been rough riding too long. You know what I'm saying? It's time to get it together. But right now we are about to go meet up with my boy. Guess who? You guessed it, Rack. We are about to go get something to eat because I am hungry and sad. And food fixes everything. Food fixes all your problems. If you're having a problem, you eat a good meal, I promise you'll be fine. You will forget about all your problems. But with that being said, man, I guess I'll see y'all when I'm with my boy Rakisha.
Pull up in that, yeah. Pull up brand new Beamer, baby. I came a long way from lunch trays and eating.
Yo. Mr. Valtronic just pulled up. Oh my goodness, I'm Mr. Valtronic. And his car's lower now and everything. Buddy is literally my twin now. Y'all haven't seen his car on my channel. If y'all watch him, then y'all know. But let me hold on. Let me show y'all what bro has done. So Valtronic sauce. And he lowered it. Oh my. Dude, you need spacers. What the fuck? Oh my goodness, this shit is hideous. Bro, with spacers? Without spacers. Holy shit, that shit is hideous. But he does have his front lip on. I don't have mine, but it's straight. Oh my goodness. Y'all, I forgot to show y'all. I had ended up getting onion rings and a patty melt from Whataburger. Best ever. It's basic, so you always just get the same thing, burger and fries. I like the patty melt though. Oh my goodness, I'm about to finish eating. Alright y'all, we just finished eating. I don't know what we finna get into. I do need fuel in my automobile, so probably about to go get some fuel. But I want y'all to hear this Valtronic start up real quick because this thing sounds insane. Yeah, it's down here to the right. All right, y'all. So we just finished eating, and now we're about to head over and get some gas. I ain't gonna turn the music up on y'all. I know y'all want to hear the car. I haven't drove it so long, y'all missed this thing. I already know my GoPro is too high up. Dang. Roll these windows up a little bit. Turn that AC down. Yo. Oh wait, it's actually to the right. I'm actually an idiot. I don't know why I thought it was I said it was to the right and I still went left. That's actually insane. I'm a little slow. And I got me a bang, but I cannot drink this yet until I get a water, because drinking too much energy drink without a water, boy, I'm gonna be off a tweaker. I'm gonna be, you know what I'm saying? I would be everywhere. So, waiting on the water. Go! They didn't max it. Oh! I already told y'all that the windshield but finna be cooked up. If y'all watched the last video, y'all know the last video I done already told y'all what's going on. Goodness, that thing sounds crazy. That thing sounds insane.
Bro, hey, when you put around them, like, bro, that shit looks so crazy, bro. Like, you gotta see how that shit looks, bro. Like, that shit looks crazy.
Hey, like when I went through it, like, hey, your shit is loud as fuck, bro. I remember my car used to be the loudest. Your shit is insane. Hey, we making a right up here in 1 mile. Say no more. Oh my goodness, dude. Oh, all right. I'm going to get primaries. That man car looks so good, bro. That car looks insane. This car actually looks very good. W looking car, bro. W mans. see how much the fuel hitting for. $4.50. Not bad. I get a discount though. Corporate card. All right, y'all. And just like that, look at that. A honey bun, bro. Every time. Bro, let's do mine because I want to put lights in there.
Lights?
Yes.
I need RGB, bro.
It's gonna be fire, bro. You gotta trust the process. All right, y'all, so we have made it to the top of a parking deck. We just filmed a couple reels, a couple videos that y'all are gonna see later on. Make sure y'all check that out on my TikTok, maybe even my Instagram, TwinTurboTez, man. But we are going crazy. Also, I noticed inside my exhaust pipes, it is like green in there. Don't know why, kind of weird. It is what it is. But look at our freaking cars, looking so freaking good, bro. Like, they look amazing, man. So thank y'all to everybody who supports us, but thank y'all so much for the love and support that y'all give us. And yeah, that's pretty much it for now.